I hope you are doing well. So in today's video I'll explain how you can generate car valuations, HPI valuations before purchasing. Okay, so in my last video I explained how you can do a free HPI MOT and VIN check in UK for free in this video. So if you have not yet watched, you can watch it. So now I'll tell you that what is a HPI valuation. Okay, first of all, HPI checks involve if the car has any unpaid finance or was written off in accident or any reported stolen is there. Okay, so this is basically a detailed check and you should consider this point before purchasing any kind of car. Okay, so first you do a TCO check. I'll put this website link in the description box below, so you no need to worry about it, just you watch this video, okay, till the end. So once you come to this TCO check page, okay, so here we'll find all the options like TCO checks, then valuations, everything. So then in this TCO check you have to enter your registration number. Okay, then you will find a bare idea like how much you will bear the cost of owning a car, okay, year after year, minimum excluding service maintenance and taxations, okay, depreciation cost that you can add, and then you can again recalculate. Okay, now in this HPI valuations, this is important. Again, what you can do, you can just come to this page and you should click on this valuation. Okay, so once you click on this valuation, you can enter your registration number, okay, car registration number. So I have the number, I will enter over here and then simply click on go. So then you click I own this car. This is Citroen DS3 D style. Then you click on agree. Okay, you enter your full name, email ID, contact number, everything, and then get your valuation. So once you click on get your valuation, within seconds it will be ready. Okay, so you can see here it is showing the details over here. Okay, so just you can see the price when it was new. This was the total cost, and total cost, fuel, insurance, service and maintenance you can add. Okay, and specifications, year of manufacturing. Okay, and then engine model, everything they have, gears, weight, height, length, wheelbase, everything they have mentioned. So this is how you can check your car ownership completely free of cost. And yes, this much for today. If you have any questions, you can definitely ask me. I will happy to answer them. Link will be there in the description box, you can check them. Thank you so much, take care, bye bye.